What's up, guys? Working on the 66 Wagon. Ford Country. Let's see. Sedan. I think the last video you guys seen, oh, they're pulling the motor and trans. But last time I was on the lift, we put all new bushings and shocks in the back. And axle seals. We also put some sweet brake setup on it. Let's grab a flashlight. Today, I'm gonna start tackling control arms coming out, upper and lower. New bushings getting pressed in. All new steering. Sway bar links. And I'm also be working on cleaning up, you know, just the grease and stuff. You know, all the junk. All the junk in the trunk. Same with this side. Clean the cross member there a little bit. Sweeping all that junk up. And this is what all the parts I got. Well, shocks there. Got a gearbox. Brake booster. The master cylinder I think still up on the shelf. We got new coupler. Sleeves. Inner links. Either arm. Outer tie rods. Sway bar bushings. Sway bar links. Bushings for the control arms, upper, lower, ball joints, strut, bushings, we're right in there. Whoop. That's gonna be fun. See, that's my goal today. At least start getting this torn up, torn up, and get everything cleaned up too. Yeah. But, all right, guys, well, I'm gonna get some of the work done and I'll get you guys another video here in a few later. All right, guys, give you guys a quick update. Got the outer tie rod off. Turn this back and forth. Took the upper ball joint nut off. Got that to pop. Gotta use the pickle fork. It's not the end of the world because we got new ones, yay. So now, I'm gonna get the bottom one off so we can get the knuckle out of the way. So like I said, because we got these nice brake set up. And I can set that off to a nice spot. Tomorrow, I can get some of the crusties cleaned up. This gentleman here doesn't want restoration. So, you know, I don't think we're gonna paint anything. Things just basically clean. New bushings, new ball joints, all that good stuff. So, kind of show you on the other side how everything was. See, that one's still bolted in. Outer tie rod's still in. So, we're gonna keep on going here and taking things apart. And I'll get you guys another update here in a few.